Guys, Daniel, where are we? Hip Hop Festival here in Nanjing Park.
Beautiful day today. Perfect day for a festival. Seriously.
Yay! And then we have a little bit picnic food too, which we'll show you later.
Katie did the grandma thing where she steamed potatoes. Sweet potatoes.
Yeah, I was worried that we'll get hungry and there will be no food there.
We got J Park, Park Jae-ball, which Katie really wants to see.
My favorite.
Dynamic duo, I know them. BY, I think he's an up and comer. And
Gray. These are all the artists from AOMG, which is one of the most popular hip hop label in Korea right now.
Katie went for a hip hop outfit, but she came looking like she's went to a job interview. Time. The last one, Rock the Bells. I think Rage.
Was it Jay-Z?
No, Rage Against the Machine. Wu-Tang Clan was there. I'm used to that old school hip hop, but now we got some K-pop on the rise. We're gonna see how Koreans throw down. Woo!
J Park is coming at
5:20.
Oh, what about who's the first one in line? J Clef? Do you know this guy?
I don't know any of these guys.
I know Jisoo.
Jisoo's coming up. Guys, I would highly recommend renting a bike in Hangang River. Riding, you can see all of Seoul. It is so romantic. Romantic.
One of our favorite things to do.
Other than that, Ikseongdong and Garosugi.
This one we've been getting a lot, but I have to ask you.
What?
When are you gonna propose to me?
Oh, I think my mom's calling.
You're so
Check out the setup. You can bring your own like little garden mat, chill out. Grab some beers, and then if you're a little bit crazier about these fans, there's like a standing zone. You know, we're gonna chill today. We got our
Where's our seat?
We're right over there. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Chia. Yeah. Pose number 2. Hip hop. Boom. Boom. Nice.
Your hip hop pose. That's it. Oh, moving to a different stage now.
Daddy, break it down.
What's your opinion of the stage so far? It's fun, right?
I think that Korea hip hop has found its own flavor, and I love it. Like back in the days, they used to copy a lot of stuff in the States. And the States still leads, of course. I mean, that's the birthplace of hip hop, but I think Korea has found its own flair, and I love it. Gotta be hydrated.
Actually, it's really hard for us to pick one place because we like the city as a whole.
Yeah.
And we like to check out new places. And
There's
like
always
explore.
new restaurants or new events happening in places around Seoul, so this is a good one. At Korean department stores, like I think on the 13th to 14th floor, they have cultural centers and they have awesome cooking classes. But you need to learn how to speak Korean. And if you don't, Airbnb experiences, there are some people who teach.
There's one song that Daniel always sings when we go to karaoke. It's Hey Mom.
What's up? Let's slide. Alright, cause we gon' get it on tonight. You smoke, I drink, me too. Well, good, cause we gon' get it on it.
Okay. So for me, I can live the rest of my life with just rice and 된장찌개. 왜 그래?
Why me? I said I wanna know why you like me. me, like me. 괜찮은 사람 많은데 why me, why me? I said I wanna know why you like me, like me, like me. 괜찮은 사람 많은데 why me?
하나만 더 좀 보들보들한 노래 하고 그 다음부터 신나게 할게요. 괜찮아요? 날씨 너무 좋으니까.
빠지면 보내줄게. 무대에서 굴러내. Summer be different now. Take the shit. 하루만 너랑 we down for the night. Ooh, bass bumping right. Ooh, out of love sky. Ooh, we don't rap but like no, we don't flex like no. Everybody say. 더 크게. Hey, 음악을. In the air. Tonight we ain't got limit, baby. What?
난 내가 안 들게 왜 만드는 게 내 소생 Put your hands up 너도 붙이만 따로 너로 갈아버려 내 가로 You want something You know you did that 삶으로 나를 뱉어 내 영상들을 새겨 내 글자들을 베껴 내 십자들을 말했어 네건 최고 최초 내 날들을 매일매일 매번 배고자도 배고파도 내 걸 만들어 새 걸 창조 계속하고 백원 잡아 뱀으로 나눠 랩으로 바꿔 래퍼 낙서 재고 난도 했어 참으로 재면 나머 쨌던 나도 내려
So we got a burger from a famous burger. This is actually a restaurant run by one of the members of AOMG called Loco.
모르지만 baby 사랑해 내 끝난 주 I just wanna know your name 이제는 아니어도 마지막에 내줘 어린 너무 What is it just sorry right 내가 바쁘더라도 네가 너의 몸에 그린 것만 같은 미소 오늘 이상처럼 네 마음을 see through All I wanna do is kick it with you Okay, what? 뭐가 중요한지 baby 바로 말해줄게 지금 5천만원 짜리 시계 잠시만 말은 너를 생각했지 babe 내가 원한다면 잘게 All I wanna do is kick it with 너의 몸에 그린 것만 같은 미소 오늘 이상처럼 네 마음을 see through All I wanna do is kick it with you Okay, what? Yeah Wait a minute girl 어디가 너무 쳐다봐서 미안해 근데 네가 너무 섹시해서 모르대 수고했어 Goddamn 보고 싶어 What? Louder 너에게 네 옆에 숨은 비욘세 엉덩이로 납작해 답답해 시원하게 그냥 갖다 대 우리 비피고 우리의 관계가 뭔지 모르지만 지금 소개받고 싶어 네 가슴에 달려있는 I feel like 우리 좋아하는 지금 주지 굳이가 휴식 없이 나한테 계속 주지 Let you move
제가 상품 드릴게요. 5개 중에 2개 넣으시면 상품 드리겠습니다. 자, 준비 5개 쏘세요. 괜찮아 괜찮아 지금 분위기
It was amazing, guys. I was so blown away. The organization, first of all, beautiful. Performances were amazing, and I really changed my mind about K-hip hop, man.
K-hip hop?
I think it's gonna. I mean, it's already big, but I'll turn into a believer.
Who was your favorite rapper or singer?
Jay Park, everything. Yeah, I think she was amazing.
Thumbs up.
Rapper, performer, and harmonizing too. Excellent.